morning! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we received the latest smartwatch from gearbest.com. We have here the CF006 Smartwatch Smart Bracelet. Okay, we got it from gearbest.com, one of the leading e-shopping site when it comes to smartwatches, smartband, smartphone, laptop, TV box, and more. Okay, so let's have an unboxing and review of the smartwatch slash smart bracelet. Okay, so we have here, again, this is the CF006 Smart Bracelet or smartwatch. Okay, so we already charged it yesterday, so we can finally show you the design and the features of this new smartwatch, or shall we say smart bracelet. Okay, so the contents of the box, we have here the user manual. Okay, very simple smart bracelet instructions. Okay, very small. I wish they could have put a much larger font here, but anyway, we have here the QR code, the instructions for the smartwatch, and the features here. Okay, English and Chinese language. So we have here, there's a charging cable, a clip type charging cable for your smartwatch. Okay, so it's not magnetic, so all you have to do is to align the power connector here to the clip, and you're good to go. That's it. So no worries about compatibility because there's a USB type. Okay, so going back for the features of the smartwatch, let's check it out here in the user manual. Okay, we have social app notifications. Stated here, we have Facebook, Twitter, SMS notification. We also have a heart rate, distance counter, calorie counter. Okay, we have movement monitoring. Okay, statistical data here, weather, long standby time, call reminder. Also, we have sleep monitoring, touch operation, sedentary reminder, alarm, and the smartwatch is waterproof, as well as it is compatible with Android and iOS. Going back to the design, we have a metal body here, steel body. Okay, and we have I think this one is a Melanie strap, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there's also a leather version for this one. So we have here a replaceable strap. I think this is 20mm. Okay, so far it looks good, but the smartwatch is more on a feminine side, so I guess this one will surely suit the female user. Okay, it looks elegant, looks beautiful. So if you're going to buy your loved ones, your girlfriend or your wife, a smartwatch, if she want one, you can get this CF006 Smartwatch. Okay, so the design is more inclined on the female. Okay, for ladies, in short. So it has an OLED screen, monochrome OLED screen with 128 by 64 pixel resolution. It has a 0.96 inch touch key. Okay, for the battery, It has 100 mAh lithium polymer battery with 35 days of standby time. For the features of this one, okay, it has a pedometer, a heart rate monitor, as well as a blood pressure monitor, oxygen monitor. So let's check out the features here and the UI of the CF006 smartwatch. Again, check. We have the time. We have here the pedometer. We have the distance here, calorie, heart rate, and as you can see here, we have the blood pressure and the oxygen monitoring. Okay, so it's scanning. Let's check. Although it will not provide an accurate count because I am putting my thumb instead of my wrist. Anyway, let's just check if the smartwatch can really read or detect. Let's wait. It's not yet. Again. Okay, let's go back and check it again. So it seems like it takes time for the smartwatch to detect. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, guess it will take a minute or two for this one to detect. Checking. So far for the display, as you can see here, it's very sharp, very clear. I'm not just sure if it's also clear when it comes to outdoor, especially if it's in direct sunlight. So far we have here the beats per minute. Okay, your heart rate. We are waiting for the blood pressure as well as the oxygen. Okay, have patience. Again, this smartwatch is IP67 waterproof. Okay, IP67, it is able to withstand splash water, rain, but of course, just like other smartwatches, don't use it for swimming or don't wear it during swimming or taking a shower to prolong the life of your smartwatch. Well, it takes time for the blood pressure. Hey, what's going on? Seems like this too is not working. Okay, we have the oxygen and we have the blood pressure monitor. As you can see there, it takes almost a minute or more than 1 minute to detect, but anyway, it's working. It's not just fast as we expected. Anyway, that's the features of the CF006 smartwatch. I love the design, the look of it, very classy, office type smartwatch or smart bracelet. It will look good, I'm pretty sure, for women. So if you're a man or a guy and you're looking for a smartwatch with a similar look, go for the leather instead of the steel strap here. Anyway, nice, perfectly okay. It is simple yet classy design. Okay, so this is the CF006 smartwatch smart bracelet. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will provide you, or we will answer your queries if we have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.